So in the previous video, I've explained you that Hari had stolen the money from under the Anil's mattress and he ran. He counted the money, it was 600, and he thought that he can live a life of a Arabian sheikh, a luxurious life of an Arabian sheikh for at least a week or for two. ठीक है, there we have left the story. Now I will explain you the story further. We will start from where we have left this topic, page number 11th, from the first paragraph. Let's read. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. Dashed means quickly ran towards something. ठीक है? The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. Carriages, any of the separate section of the train that carry passengers. Carriages बोगी को बोलते हैं. जो ट्रेन्स की बोगी होती है उनको हम अलग अलग सेपरेट बोगी होती है जिसके अंदर पैसेंजर्स बैठते हैं, उनको हम इंग्लिश में कैरिएजेस बोलते हैं. बट आई हेजिटेड मतलब पॉज बिफोर डूइंग और सेइंग समथिंग, टू पॉज फॉर सम रीजन आई कांट एक्सप्लेन. I lost the chance to get away. So what happened? This paragraph means that when Hari reached the station, he straight away went to the platform. सीधे उसने प्लेटफॉर्म पे गया because उसने कभी भी अपनी entire life में कभी उसने टिकट नहीं खरीदी है. He had always travelled without a ticket. When he reached the platform, the Lucknow Express in which he had to go was just leaving the platform. तो जैसे ही वो पहुंचा, जो लखनऊ एक्सप्रेस थी वो प्लेटफॉर्म ही छोड़ रही थी, बस लीव ही कर रही थी. ठीक है. The Lucknow Express was just leaving the platform. The train was still slow, so he could have easily jumped and got on one of the carriages. धीरे धीरे चल रही थी. स्टार्टिंग में ट्रेन धीरे धीरे चलती है तो वो जल्दी से एक कोई भी कैरिएज को पकड़ के उसमें ट्रेन पकड़ सकता था. But he did not do so. पर उसने ऐसा नहीं किया. There was a bit of hesitation in him. Even he didn't understand why he had that hesitation inside him, and because of that he could not board the train. So उसके अंदर एक हेजिटेशन थी, वो रुक गया कुछ टाइम के लिए. उसको खुद नहीं पता कि वो क्यों रुका, उसको खुद नहीं पता कि वो हेजिटेशन क्यों थी उसके मन में, बट उसकी वजह से वो ट्रेन को नहीं पकड़ पाया. ही डिड नॉट बोर्ड द ट्रेन. ओके, लेट्स रीड फर्दर. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Deserted means empty place, where there are no person, isolated place. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the place small hotels. Curious means eager to know or to learn something. ठीक है. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed, who is Anil. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. Bazaar is the market. Okay. So, what happened next? The train had left. He did not board the train. Okay, after sometimes when the train had left, Hari found himself all alone at the empty platform. He found all alone. उसको कोई नहीं था, सिर्फ और सिर्फ वही खड़ा हुआ था प्लेटफॉर्म पे. Hari did not know where would he spend the night. उसे ये भी नहीं पता था कि वो अपनी नाइट कहाँ पर बिताएगा पूरी. ठीक है. He did not know where he would spend the night and he did not have any friends whom he could go to, as he used to think that friends were more of a trouble than being helpful. तो उसके पास कोई भी दोस्त भी नहीं था क्योंकि उसने हमेशा यही सोचा कि जो दोस्त होते हैं वो ट्रबल ज़्यादा क्रिएट करते हैं दैन हेल्पफुल होते हैं. तो he didn't have any friend. He did not even want to stay at any of the small hotels as he would attract attention. तो वो किसी भी होटल में भी नहीं रुकना चाहता था, क्योंकि वो ही वॉज एस्केपिंग हिज एक्स एम्प्लॉयर्स एंड पुलिस. सो वो ये भी नहीं चाहता था कि उसको अटेंशन मिले इतना ज़्यादा कि वो कहीं पकड़ा ना जाए. ही न्यू ओनली वन पर्सन, वो सिर्फ एक ही इंसान को जानता था अच्छे तरीके से, जिसको उसने रॉब किया था. एंड ही हैड रॉब्ड हिम एज वेल. As Hari was walking through the bazaar after leaving the station, he was thinking of his observation as a thief. Okay, so he was walking through the bazaar, middle of the bazaar से वो जा रहा था. ठीक है. Now let's read further. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of man's face when they had lost their goods. The greedy man showed fear. The rich man showed anger. The poor man showed acceptance. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the theft, would show only a touch of sadness. Not for a lot of money, but for a loss of trust. So, जब वो बाज़ार के उसके बीच से जा रहा था, he was leaving the station. He was thinking of his observation as a thief. तो अपनी जो उसने observation देखी है as a thief, वो उस बारे में सोच रहा था. in a short career span, उसका career क्या था? Stealing things. ठीक है. तो इस short career में he realized that although everybody from rich to poor shows different reaction of losing their goods. goods मतलब money, कोई अपना सामान, कोई precious सामान. तो उसने ये observe किया था कि रिच से लेके पुअर मैन तक अलग अलग तरीके से के रिएक्शंस शो करते हैं जब वो कोई चीज़ खोते हैं, लूज करते हैं अपने गुड्स. दैट टू. ओके. बट अनिल वुड ओनली बी अ लिटिल सैड. और उसे पता था कि अनिल एज केयरलेस पर्सन है, केयरफ्री पर्सन है. वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक सैडनेस शो करेगा, सिर्फ थोड़ा सा वो सैड होगा. नॉट बिकॉज हिज money got stolen, but just because the person whom he trusted had betrayed him. Betrayed means धोखा देना. So he would be sad that he trusted someone so much and the person had betrayed him. That was the only reason of his sadness. He knew him as. Let's read the next paragraph. I found myself in the maiden of sat down on a bench. Maiden means a park. ठीक है. The night was chilly. Chilly means ठंड थी बहुत. ठीक है. It was early November and a light drizzle. Drizzle means थोड़ी सी क्या कहते हैं, लाइट रेन जब होती है, फॉलिंग इन वेरी फाइन ड्रॉपलेट्स, उसको हम ड्रिजल बोलते हैं. ठीक है. Added to my discomfort, soon it was raining quite heavily. My shirt and the pajamas stuck on my skin, and a cold wind blew the rain across my face. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of the clock tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for my notes. They were damp from the rain. Okay, so let's see what happened. What happened that Hari was walking when he reached the park. वो धीरे धीरे वॉक करते करते पार्क में पहुंच गया और वहाँ उसी पे बेंच पे बैठ गया वो. As it was the month of November, the night was a bit chilly. It was cold, and then the drizzle added to the discomfort. उसको वैसे इतना discomfort अपने मन में हो रहा था, और थोड़ी थोड़ी बारिश थी, वो उसको और discomfort create कर रही थी उसके लिए. It started raining quite heavily, and Hari's shirt and pajamas stuck to his body. गीले हो जाते हैं तो चिपक जाते हैं कपड़े, तो वही हो गया था. कोल्ड विंड वॉज ब्लोइंग अक्रॉस हरीज फेस. तो बहुत ज़्यादा कोल्ड विंड थी जो हरी के फेस पर आ रही थी. ठीक है. देन हरी वेंट बैक टूवर्ड्स द बाजार एंड सैट अंडर द शेल्टर. शेल्टर क्या होता है? प्लेस गिविंग टेम्पररी प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम बैड वेदर और डेंजर. किसी डेंजर या बैड वेदर की वजह से जो प्रोटेक्शन देता है उसको हम शेल्टर बोलते हैं. तो बाज़ार की तरफ जाकर वहाँ पे वो एक शेल्टर पे बैठ गया. शेल्टर क्या था उसका? क्लॉक टावर, टू एस्केप गेटिंग वेट. इट वॉज 12 o'clock बाय द क्लॉक टावर. तो 12 बज रहे थे. ओके. ही चेक द नोट्स एंड दे वर वेट. ठीक है, दे वर डैम्प्ड मीन्स दे वर वेट, दे वर स्लाइटली वेट. ओके, लेट्स रीड फर्दर. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema. But now I had it all. I couldn't cook his meals, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentence anymore. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. Whole sentence, I knew, could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was a simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be really big man, a clever, respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil and told myself, if only to learn and read and write. So, what he thought? Let's see what this means. After checking the notes, they were wet. Hari again started thinking that it was Anil's money, and if he would not have stolen it, he would have surely given him 2 or 3 rupees to go for a movie. तो वो सोचने लगा कि अभी भी ये अनिल का ही पैसे हैं, ये अनिल के पैसे हैं, और अगर उसने ये चीज़ नहीं करी होती तो कल वो श्योरली उसे 2-3 रुपये तो दे ही देता मूवी देखने के लिए. बट नाउ एज इट हैड बीन स्टोलन, ही हैड इट ऑल. पर क्योंकि अब उसने चुरा लिए तो उसके पास सारे पैसे हैं. नाउ ही वोंट बी एबल टू मेक टी और do groceries for Anil anymore now, nor would be able to learn to write the whole sentence ever. तो he thought कि अब ना ही वो चाय बना सकता है, ना ही वो ग्रॉसरी लेने जाएगा, और ना ही वो सेंटेंस सीखेगा लिखना. ठीक है, अब in excitement of theft, of stealing money, he just didn't realize that what he was losing. He was losing all these things, learning things, adding numbers, writing the name, writing the sentence, doing the groceries. He is just losing everything and he forgot all these things in the excitement of stealing money. He knew that if he could learn to read and write, he would earn much more than money. उसको पता था कि अगर वो लिखना पढ़ना सीख जाएगा तो वो इससे ज़्यादा पैसे कमा सकता है, इन फ्यू 100 रुपीज़ से ज़्यादा, दैन टू ऑनेस्टी, और वो भी ऑनेस्टी से. He knew that it was very easy to steal something from someone, but sometimes it was easy to get caught as well. So he knew, उसको ये चीज़ें पता थी, उसको इस चीज़ की रियलाइजेशन था थीफ को कि अगर कि किसी से चोरी करना बहुत इजी होता है और कभी कभी पकड़े जाना भी बहुत इजी हो जाता है. He knew that if he learned to read and write, he would surely become a big and a respected man one day. तो उसको पता था कि अगर वो पढ़ना लिखना सीख गया तो एक वो रिस्पेक्टेड मैन कहलाएगा, वो एक दिन रिस्पेक्टेड मैन ज़रूर बनेगा और ऑनेस्टली से इससे ज़्यादा पैसे कमाएगा. देन हरी टोल्ड हिमसेल्फ दैट ही शुड गो बैक इफ़ ही वांटेड टू लर्न एंड रीड, एंड ऑल्सो इफ़ ही वांटेड टू बिकम अ बिग मैन वन डे. सो ही जस्ट टोल्ड हिमसेल्फ कि उसे वापस चले जाना चाहिए अगर वो चाहता है सच में कि अच्छे से पढ़े लिखे और एक दिन वो अच्छा इंसान और एक बड़ा इंसान बने. Okay, let's read further. I hurried back to the room feeling very nervous, for it is easier to steal something than to return it undetected. Okay, undetected का मतलब है not detected or discovered, not discovered. ठीक है. Let's read further. I opened the door quietly, then stood in a doorway in clouded moonlight. Clouded means become less clear or transparent. बारिश हो रही थी, मूनलाइट के सामने बादल आ गए थे तो थोड़ी लेस क्लियर थी वो, क्लाउडेड मूनलाइट थी वो. ठीक है. Anil was still asleep. I crept onto the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on his hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of the mattress and slipped under it with the notes. Okay. So what this means? He went back to Anil's room as he was very nervous because he knew that it is much more difficult to return stolen things without being caught than actually stealing it. So उसको पता था कि स्टील करना तो ईजी होता है, बट वही चीज़ जो आपने चुराई है उसको वापस रखना विदाउट इवन नोइंग कि आपने चोरी करी थी, वो ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट होता है. ओके, ही न्यू दैट. हरी वेंट टू द हॉलवे एंड स्टूड देयर एज द मूनलाइट वॉज स्टिल फॉलिंग ओवर द बेड. वो गया उसके पास, बेड पे स्टिल मूनलाइट पड़ रही थी. अनिल जो था वो अभी भी सो रहा था, ही वॉज स्टिल अस्लीप. हरी वेंट near the head of the bed and took out the notes. As he was going near the mattress, his hand could feel Anil's breath on his hand. जैसे वो पैसे वापस रख रहा था, he could feel कि अनिल की breath, he could feel that on his hands. Hari became still for a moment, found the edge of the mattress and finally slipped the notes under it. Okay, उसने चुपचाप पैसे रख दिए. Let's read further. I woke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was a 50 rupee note between his fingers. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. So, what happened? In next morning, Hari woke up little late. थोड़ी देर से उठा और Anil, and he found that Anil had already made the tea by then. Anil extended his hand towards Hari. And he gave him 50 rupees note in his hand. तो उसने 50 रुपए हरी को दिए. Then suddenly Anil explained that he had made some money and the day before and he was giving him 50 rupees. And he also said that he would be paying him regularly. So उसने 50 रुपीज़ का नोट दिया and he told him कि वो रेगुलरली उसे पे करेगा अब से. ठीक है. Now let's read. My spirits rose, but when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Today we'll start writing sentence, he said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. So Hari was very happy, but when he took the note in his hand, he saw कि वो थोड़े से अभी भी wet थे because of the last night. He also told Hari that today he will teach him how to write the complete sentence. Hari realized that Anil had come to know that he had stolen money and kept it back. So Hari को ये चीज़ रियलाइज़ हो गई थी कि अनिल को शायद ये बात पता है कि जो पैसे हैं वो उसने चोरी किए थे और वापस से रख दिए थे. बट द ग्रेट थिंग दैट हैपन वॉज दैट ही डिड नॉट इवन शो इट ऑन हिज फेस और इन हिज वर्ड्स. उसने ना अपने फेस पे ऐसा शो होने दिया, ना ही अपने वर्ड्स पे ऐसा शो होने दिया. हरी अगेन स्माइल्ड एट अनिल इन हिज मोस्ट अपीलिंग अट्रैक्टिव वे एंड बट दिस टाइम जो हरी की जो स्माइल थी वो अपने आप आई विदाउट एनी एफर्ट्स. पहले जब वो करता था वो उसको अपील करने के लिए स्माइल करता था, बट दिस टाइम Hari's smile also came to him without any effort. Okay, we come to the end of the explanation of this chapter. I want you to read the chapter twice, thrice, and if you have any problem, you can come to me and ask. Thank you.